Today is July 25th. This is a 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible, 1967 right-hand power window motor, as designated by the letter R right there. R for right hand. And the unit's been connected to power. This particular unit's going to Seattle, Washington to Tim Fiorito. Shipping today by priority. I'm going to do a functional validation test, and I'll go ahead and charge the unit. Very powerful rotation. Unit's been rebuilt. And I'll go ahead and reverse polarity. And there we go in the other direction. Counterclockwise. And again, clockwise. So this unit will be shipping out today to Tim. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac parts, and I also restore the steering wheels and the steering columns. Thank you very kindly.